A meatball is a ground meat mixed with breadcrumbs, minced onions, eggs, and seasoning of your choice, and shallow fry or bake in oven, then braise in a sauce. This homemade meatballs recipe is super simple and it's a quick fix over lunch or dinner. Welcome back to my channel where delicious meals made easy with simple recipe. On this video, I want to take you through how I made these delicious meatballs. To make meatballs, you need some breadcrumbs. I've just made this on my own. I've done a video of how to make this breadcrumbs, so you can check on my channel if you haven't seen it. And you need some ground meat. If you want to take your meatballs to a top-notch higher, you need to add some seasoning, flavors, and some herbs. I will leave this ingredient and the exact measurement in the description box, so check on it. I will go ahead and prep my fresh ingredients. I'll just chop them roughly, then I will complete chopping them in manual chopper. That is onions, I have some ginger, garlic cloves, and some chili pepper, and some Dhania. If you're not a chili person, omit that. On this channel, you know I like it hot. Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing recipe. If you are new in this channel and you find this kind of content useful, consider subscribing, hit that like button, support my channel, and let's better our cooking skills together. Help me grow this channel, and feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you like or how you like yours done. Engage me. Seeing you commenting here and engaging me makes me feel so happy. It's keeping me alive. Don't let me just hang alone. Give me your genuine opinion over this recipe. And if you happen to try it, don't forget to bring your feedback. This is a very simple recipe and it's a quick fix. Anybody can do it. Once I'm done chopping my green ingredients, I'm going to add them in a bowl of mixture of minced meat and the spices. Then I'm going to crack in my egg, a splash of soy sauce, and then I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. Eggs and breadcrumbs helps in holding the meat and the spices together. And I'll use my hand to mix them until everything comes together. Don't overmix it. Once everything has come up together, you can test. If it's all, then I'm going to start molding it. I'll apply some oil in my palm so that the meat will not stick in my hand. I will use this ice cream scoop to scoop my meatballs. Then I'll mold it into a round shape. I like my meatballs a little bit smaller. I don't like it too big. That way, it will enable the meat to cook well inside and out. I like my meat well done. This is the size I'm going for, but if you like yours big, you can adjust to your preference. So I'm going to continue with this until all the meat are molded into a ball shape. So we have meatballs here done molding, and I'm going just to shallow fry them in a pan. I've just added a little oil, adding my meatballs, and I'm going to fry them on a medium heat to enable the meatballs to cook well inside and out. Like I've mentioned earlier, I like my meat well done. I'll flip it from time to time until both sides are browned. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. support this channel. Help me grow. Thank you. Watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. And my meatballs are ready and it's smelling heavenly here. So I'm just going to take them out. Look at it, well brown. The aroma here is heavenly. I like making my meatballs some extra batch. That way I can keep them in the fridge for later quick meals. Look at it. The meatballs are well done. You can snack it right away the way it is or take it top notch higher with some gravy sauce. In my pan, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. Then I'm going in with my chopped onions. I will saute for a minute. And I'm going to blend my tomatoes and some 2 cloves of garlic and 1 chili pepper. And then I'm going to add my tomato puree in my onions and mix it to let the tomato puree to cook or thicken up. I'm going to go in with some tomato paste and some tomato sauce. I like adding tomato sauce instead of sugar directly because the tomato sauce has the sugar to balance in the acidic in tomato. Let it cook until it's thickened up. Add some spices. Stir it to mix well. Season it with some salt, just a little because we are using also splash of soy sauce, and also our meatballs was seasoned with salt already. I'll add in a little water and stir it. Then I'm going in with some cornstarch, mix with water and then add it into your sauce. This will thicken the sauce nicely. Give it a good stir. Add in your meatballs into the sauce. So at this point, our heat is on medium-low. We just want the meatballs to infuse some flavor. Make sure every meatball is well coated with the sauce. Guys, thanks for stopping by and I hope you try this recipe. It's a simple recipe, and if you try it, kindly bring back your feedback. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that like button. Cover it and let it simmer for 2 minutes. It's done, and as you can see, it has thickened well. Our meatball is ready. It looks lovely. So I'm just going to garnish it with some coriander. At this point, make sure your heat is off. And there we go. We have a delicious and juicy meatball. You can serve it over dinner or lunch with any starch of your choice. I enjoyed mine with chapatis. It goes well with even rice and spaghetti. Wow. It was nice having you around. I hope to see you in my next. And I hope you enjoy this as you try. See ya.